Hi there folks, Colin here again from Robert Smail's Printing Works in the Scottish Borders, cared for by the National Trust for Scotland. And today we're going to be looking at a phrase where the origins are disputed, and that's to come a cropper. So some would have you believe that this term comes from the world of horseback riding, but we tell a different story here. So, the term cropper became synonymous with all jobbing platen presses in the UK due to the popularity of the machines invented by Henry Smith Cropper in the 1860s and 70s. Because these prints were created between two heavy flat plates, accidents weren't uncommon. It could be quite easy for workers to catch their fingers between these plates, causing considerable damage. If they did, it was said they came a cropper. So we'll give this a print and see what we end up with. And there we go, another perfect print. So, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time, folks.